Good morning guys. So, welcome to Job Opportunity Worldwide. So, tumating na yung order natin na MXQ Pro 4K Smart TV Box 1 gig plus 8 gig HD quad-core Android 7.1 3D media player. So, we ordered this from Shopee. So this will make our HD TV like a smart TV, guys. So this is like a processor which you can access multiple channels internationally. Okay, so you will have HBO, you will have Korean novelas. This I highly recommend this, guys, if you have a good internet connection, kasi it's using an internet. Okay. So it comes with the remote, of course, to change the channels, power supply, and the box. So all you need to do is to connect this to the internet, no? Ethernet cord, and then HDMI going to your TV. Okay, so there's an audio video out also. There's a USB for the mouse. You can use the mouse to browse as well. And that's it. So we will connect. There are also slots here that you can use. For example, you have an external device if you want to watch movies from an external device like a USB. You want to connect and record. Okay. So this is MXQ Pro 4K. Costs only 888 pesos plus shipping of 100 pesos. So may voucher tayo na 5 pesos. So 983 lang yung binayaran natin. For some guys, it will cost 1,500, others 4,000. So ito yung pinaka-affordable.
Perfect!
So we will try this one, and after we connect it, we will show you another video na na-connect. Okay? Thank you so much. Keep watching. So we're back. We're able to connect na the MXQ box. By the way guys, we forgot to mention, sa box pala may kasama na din na extra HDMI cord. And then meron siyang user manual which we use. Basically guys, all you need to do is to connect it to your wireless internet modem to the box, who's getting internet now. We're getting also power supply here, and then HDMI cord going to our TV. But since we also have the HDMI converter, this is for the audio speaker, guys. So normally the HDMI cord should connect to the TV, but we connect it to the converter first so that we can split the audio. So the video will go to your TV, the audio will go to our surround system, 5.1 audio player. So we will turn on for the first time. As you can see, it's off now ang TV natin. So we will turn it on for the first time. Okay, we will pause first, we will go back. Okay, so welcome back. So natapos na natin siya, no? Na-install natin yung mga port connection. So from our modem, ito yung LAN cable, wired na siya. So pwede din siyang Wi-Fi, may power supply na siya, and then may HDMI cable na siya from our TV box to our HDMI converter. So from this splitter, split niya yung video, split niya yung audio to our player here. Ito sa player natin. Yan. So, if you notice sa screen natin guys, mayroon na siyang pre-installed na Kodi app. And sa Kodi app, maraming channels. Meron din siyang TV, E. So, yan, dinaload yung guys yung iFlex, yung mga YouTube din. Sa iFlex, may mga cartoons dyan. Sa TFC, yung Philippine channel. So, tingnan natin sa Kodi guys. Yan. So, under Kodi, marami siyang pwede ma-access. Merong NBA, Airpod network, yung Apple, mga apps yan na mga pwede ka makawatch ng mga movies. Yan, Popcorn, yan, yung stream movies, yan, Bravo Channel. So, tingnan natin guys yung ABC natin. Tingnan natin. So, nag-load siya kasi gumagamit siya ng internet. Okay? So, yan. So, natin yan. Yan, so mga ABC channels yan, international channels. Okay, balik muna tayo sa main app. Tingnan natin yung PBA. Wait lang. Ay! Oh. Wait lang. Okay. So yan ang PBA yan. Ito yung pre-installed guys na channel network or app na you can access different channels internationally. So with having this TV box, you can watch channels, you can watch movies. So it's a good replacement kung ayaw mo nang mag-subscribe sa mga cable companies. Yan, for its initializing. Okay. So wait lang natin na. Yan. So it's opening now. Opening now. The version 7.1. Ayan siya. Ayan.
Eu não acredito em você. Relatives and loved ones. However, the risks to our collective to eliminate COVID are simply too great. I cannot allow the gains we have all made to be squandered by processes not being upheld.
Wow. Então, tchau.
Oh.
Me siga. Ótimo.
Okay, so meron din.
Eu vou voltar amanhã.
So maraming channels guys, as you can see, no? Maraming channels. So may mga Pod Network. So mayroong Red Network, may Pax Sports. May HBO, yan, may mga HBO, yan, marami yung HBO Plus, HBO Pop, no? HBO Stream, yan. Yan. So, sila dyan. So, HBO Extreme. Yan. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Oh, subscribe. Bye-bye, subscribe.
Happy birthday to Sikip. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish.